In this video, I'll guide you through how to get an equal gender sample from SurveyMonkey. Whether you're conducting research for a school project, gathering data for a business analysis, or just curious about public opinion, having a balanced sample is crucial for accurate results. Let's dive into the steps to ensure you get that equal gender representation in your surveys. First, you'll want to start by heading over to surveymonkey.com. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, or click on the link if you already have it saved. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log in with your credentials if you aren't already signed in. This is your entry point to accessing all your surveys and settings. Next, locate and click on the All Surveys option. This section houses all the surveys you've created or have access to. It's like your personal survey library, organized and ready for you to dive into. Once you're there, browse through to find the specific survey where you need to ensure equal gender representation. Once you've identified the survey, go ahead and click on it. This action will open up the survey dashboard where you'll find various options and settings related to your survey. It's a hub of information and tools that allow you to customize and optimize your data collection process. Now, you need to focus on who your audience will be. Click on the Choose an Audience option. This step is crucial as it allows you to define the demographic characteristics of the participants you want to target. You'll find several audience settings here, but for this tutorial, we're focusing specifically on gender. After selecting your audience, click on the Gender option. This will bring up the gender-specific settings where you can start to customize how you want to balance your sample. The goal here is to make sure that your survey responses are evenly split between male and female participants. To achieve this balance, turn on the Add Balancing feature. This tool is incredibly useful as it automatically adjusts your sample to ensure equal representation. By activating this, you're telling SurveyMonkey to maintain an even gender distribution in your survey responses. Now click on Custom. This option allows you to manually adjust the percentage of male and female participants in your survey. It's a straightforward process that gives you complete control over how your sample is structured. Make sure that both male and female are set to 50%. This ensures equality in representation, which is vital for achieving unbiased and accurate survey results. An equal split helps in generating insights that are reflective of the population you're studying. Finally, once you've set the gender balance to your satisfaction, click Apply. This action saves your settings and implements them for your survey. You'll now have a survey ready to distribute with an equal gender sample, ensuring that your data is representative and reliable. And there you have it. This simple guide has walked you through the process of setting up an equal gender sample in SurveyMonkey. By following these steps, you ensure that your survey results are balanced and provide a true reflection of the opinions and experiences of both genders. Thanks for watching and happy surveying.